Welcome to Future Lists. Today, this video will introduce amazing inventions that are on another level. But before we proceed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon.
Seabed Buggy is much more than just another DPV. With Seabed Buggy, the pilot is able to dive with no physical load, as the whole diving equipment is embedded inside the vehicle. We've spent 3 years developing Seabed Buggy. Here is the first prototype tested in a swimming pool, and here's one of the many wooden prototypes we used to fine-tune the package during the development phase. You're currently watching Frederick, the CEO of Visit Seabed, on prototype 005. Finally, we arrived at the sleek design that we have today. Seabed Buggy doesn't just revolutionise the dive experience, it looks pretty stylish too. So, what's the use of Seabed Buggy? Well, first of all, it's great fun to pilot. And not only will you enjoy using it, but you'll be proud to share your experience. You can attach up to 6 action cams for scenery and selfie shots from all angles. Our unique dive companion will also appeal to professional dive centres. Your customers will love sharing photos of themselves on Seabed Buggy, which is great for business. Plus, Seabed Buggy is especially useful for first-time divers, as the students' moves are fully controlled by the instructor.
For the first time in history, you can communicate from anywhere, explore the unreachable, and earn your living outside of the office. At Evolution Wear, we want to maximize this potential by giving you unlimited access to power, generated by the sun and stored conveniently in your pocket. The Rapid Sol Gen 1 brought you the verified fastest and most reliable solar charger in the world. With all the same speed and convenience in a device that you can carry in your pocket, purse, or backpack. We want to show everyone that solar is faster and more efficient than old technology. So we made sure that your Rapid Sol will charge your devices faster than most wall adapters. And the onboard lithium polymer battery will conveniently store that power so you can save the energy for later. We are serious about our mission, so we made sure your Rapid Sols are 3 times faster than the nearest competition. Think of the potential to stay out longer for that perfect shot, or explore farther knowing you are only a call away from home. Think of what it would be like if you could do all of your office work from the beach. We are working tirelessly to maximize.
From the cold summit of Mount Everest to the hot, dusty Mojave Desert, the XP3 series thermal capsule has been tested and proven to keep phones protected and performing at their best. This ultra-rugged protective case utilizes our NASA-inspired, patent-pending chromium thermal barrier to reflect more than 90% of the sun's heat to help prevent your phone from overheating. A layered matrix of insulative materials shields your phone from cold temperatures to extend battery life and increase performance. On the outside of the XP3 series, you've got a water-resistant Ultra Shield ripstop skin, and the Ultra Grip Easy Open pull tabs give you quick access to your device, even while wearing gloves. In here, there's a stash pocket to fit your everyday essentials. Once inside, your phone also becomes instantly water-resistant, sink-proof, splash-proof, sand-proof, and drop-proof from up to 9 feet, exceeding military standards. Whether you're headed out for a day of work or working on conquering that next peak, the multi-point attachment system lets you secure the XP3 series just about anywhere. Staying connected is important, so rest assured this case will not interfere with any of your cellular, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth signals, and you'll still have access to your charging port.
Introducing the Kizen Waterproof Food Thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze, and with a large and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer has the ability to hold temperatures for easy readings. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. The thermometer features a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. A retractable probe makes it easy to store, or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet.
Easily plan your day around your weather using Crosse Technology's new wireless color weather station, which features an adjustable bright LCD display with animated color forecast icons that react to 12-hour changing barometric pressure. Just by placing the unit's wireless sensor indoors or outdoors, you will receive accurate real-time temperature and humidity updates, giving you the flexibility to choose how the station is used to best fit your needs. Some other key features include its atomic time and date setting, allowing the unit to accurately set itself over time. Customized alerts for high and low temperature. and a comfort indicator that can help you achieve a comfortable and healthy living environment. This wireless color forecast station was designed with you in mind. Crosse technology, tomorrow's weather, today.
Do you agree with our picks? You'll find links in the description to these gadgets if they sparked your creativity and interest. Comment below on which gadget was your favorite. Be sure to check out our other clips from future lists, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. We'll catch you in the next one.